Hi everyone, I thought I'll do a quick video just to show you the workshop that I moved into yesterday. I came in, dropped everything off kind of roughly in the positions they're going to go, but I still need to do a lot of work just to make it efficient space to work in. I'm very excited to have moved in. It's on a horse farm in kind of middle of Essex. It is absolutely beautiful and very excited to start working here. So here's the CNC machine. It fits very well in that corner, and now it's the first time that I have space to run the CNC whilst I'm also working, which is a big improvement. And that little cupboard there has mostly bits in for the CNC, so it naturally just fits there. Here is storage for longer term storage for boards. I bought quite a bit extra just before the price went up. The sanctions against Russia has, on top of normal inflation, has just spiked the price for birch ply by almost double, so I was lucky to get some extra. And you can lean it up against the wall, but there's a risk of it bucking, so the best way to store boards is laid flat down like that. Then here you'll see loads of these little blue boxes around everywhere. I'll make an episode about how I use that and organize those. Just a bunch of tools that still need to be mounted and put away. The workbench is under that, it's a little bit lit. The workbench is under that natural light, that window there, which is really nice. Some plug sockets close by, which is handy. Then this corner of cuck that needs to be sorted out today, because that will drive me absolutely mad. These wardrobes have been with me for a fair long time. Consumables mostly in there, tools in there, trolley that I've made. I've got a video on how I made that little trolley, which is handy for small bits that are standing upright. More of these blue boxes, and just, yeah, that's pretty much the workshop. So it's roughly 8.5 meters across by 5 meters. So what is that? Just more than 40 square meters, which is exactly what I need. Up there you've got a bit of storage space, and in between the rafters there's also storage space, which is something that I'll utilize to mostly get rid of that cat's nest there. Anyway, thank you for watching. In the next few episodes I will kind of document how I am fixing up the workshop and just arranging it for the best way to work, and yeah, start with the first projects. So please subscribe, send to your friends. Until next time, goodbye. Hi everyone, I thought I'll just make a very quick video today to show you what the workshop looks like just after I moved in. I moved in yesterday, just put stuff down broadly in the position that they're going. Fair bit of work before it's tidy still. Guy behind me is watching the windows.